After a long day of fasting, your body needs something nourishing, something filling, but not too heavy. And this is where the black chickpea come in. Here I have 250 grams of black chickpea or kala chana that I have soaked overnight. Soaking is important. It helps them cook faster and makes them easier to digest. After 4 to 5 whistles, let's check. Look at that. Perfectly cooked chickpea, soft but still holding its shape. That's exactly the texture we want, and we'll keep this water aside. Now instead of adding dry spices directly, I like to make a quick spice paste. In a small bowl I've added half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of black salt. And I'm adding a little water which we have kept aside to form a thick paste. This helps the masala coat every single chickpea evenly. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once hot, add half a teaspoon of cumin seed and a pinch of hing. It adds depth of flavor, also helps with digestion. Now add the prepared spice paste and mix well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. As it cooks, you'll notice the oil starts to separate slightly and the aroma becomes rich and smoky. This is where the flavor builds. Add your boiled chickpea and mix well so the masala is coated properly. Now I'll add half of the water which we have kept aside. It keeps everything moist and adds extra flavor. Cook on high heat for a couple of minutes. Season with salt to taste and mix well, and let the chickpea absorb all the beautiful spice. Turn off the heat and add half a teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 boiled potato cut into cubes, add finely chopped green chilies for some kick, add chopped onions, tomatoes, and cucumber for some crunch. Finish with fresh coriander and mint leaf and juice of half a lemon. Gently mix everything together. Look at those colors, rich, vibrant, and full of life. And just like that, your high protein black chickpea chaat is ready. This is an ideal dish for iftar during Ramadan. It gives steady energy after a long day of fasting. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Reels to Meal. I'll see you in the next delicious recipe. Stay healthy and keep cooking. And thank you for watching.